If you need to print a paper for English class or any other class, this is how you can, one way to do it. You can go to your document in Google Docs, and then you got to print it. So you go File, and then at the very bottom it says Print. So you can click that, or the hotkey is Control P. So Control P to print, and then make sure it says Save as PDF, and then you save it. And then you can give it a name. You can rename it here, and then you have to pay attention to where it's saved. Like, is it in your desktop or your documents folder? So I'm going to put it in my documents folder in this case. So I'm going to save it. It's in my documents folder. Then you got to go find that documents folder. So find the documents folder. See, I can see it right there. And now you're going to go to your email to create a new email to email to your teacher. So in this case, I'll email it to myself because I'm the teacher, but you could email it to whatever your teacher's email is, and before you email that email, you have to attach the paper. So go click on the paper clip to attach it, find the place where it's located. Remember, it's in the documents folder in this case. The default is the downloads folder, but you can change it to whatever you want while you save it. But in this case, I change it to documents, and then find the paper, click on it, open it, and then you'll see it be attached to your email right here, and then send the email to your teacher. Then your teacher can print it. Okay, thank you very much.